When HelloTalk suddenly freezes, takes forever to load, or stops responding to taps, it can make conversations and language practice impossible. These issues can happen unexpectedly even if the app was working perfectly before. So let's go to see how to fix not or HelloTalk not responding. The first thing you have to do is to go to settings. In this page you will enter to apps here, as you see. Then you will enter to default apps, or apps. Here again you will find it apps, and then here in this window you will search about HelloTalk app. You will find force stop, so you will tap on force stop. You will click here on this window or this feature of force stop, and then you will go to storage. You will click on your storage. After that you will click on clear cache, and in this way you can clear cache and you can fix this problem of not responding on HelloTalk. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe.